Imagine two traders, one glued to the screen, emotions a whirlwind as they chase hot tips and hunches, a slave to every market whim. The other, cool, calm and collected. They're peaceful in their approach with every move dictated by a preordained plan, a steady captain navigating stormy seas. Which trader are you? Welcome to Crossroads of Chaos and Control. Today we explore the path less travelled, rules-based trading. Forget the market frenzy, the gut-wrenching wins and crushing losses. This is where your decisions are etched in logic, your emotions held at bay by a system as unwavering as the North Star. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a marathon, not a sprint. In this video, we'll dissect the 5 pillars of this approach, the tools that forge you into a disciplined, consistent, and ultimately a profitable and peaceful investor. Now, the first pillar, building brick walls, your unbreakable rules. Forget the fuzzy, I'll buy if my gut says I should type of trades. These are the rigorous guidelines, the objective criteria crafted from technical indicators, price levels, or even fundamental data if you see it that way. They tell you exactly when to buy, what to buy, how much to buy, and importantly, when to sell, leaving no wiggle room for doubt or impulsive bets. Think of them as your personal traffic lights, guiding you through red signals of danger and green lights of opportunity. It's not about predicting the future, it's about reacting calmly to present signals, dealing with what the market is doing right now, not what it may or may not do in the future. Second pillar, pillar number 2, is consistency is your compass, sticking to the plan. Imagine training for a marathon by skipping your practice runs and indulging in donuts. You wouldn't expect to cross the finish line very easily, would you? Consistency is the fuel that powers your trading engine. Sticking to your rules, even when tempted to deviate, builds mental muscle memory. You could call it your mental fitness. You see, you can't let fear whisper false promises in your ear or let greed cloud your judgment. Your system is your roadmap, and consistency is the vehicle that takes you to your trading destination. Being good at analysis doesn't make you a great trader. Being able to stick to your plan at all times and execute your process flawlessly, even in the face of adverse conditions, that's what makes you a great trader. So along those lines, the third pillar is about taming the beast, mastering your trading psychology. Let's face it, the market is a psychological playground. Fear, greed and excitement are the carnivores lurking in the shadows, ready to eat up your capital the first chance that they get. Rules-based trading acts as a cage around those beasts, keeping your emotions in check and your decisions rational. When you've got trading psychology mastered and your emotions are in check, a funny thing happens. You become an observer, not a participant in the emotional roller coaster. Don't get me wrong, we're human, so it's not about completely being emotionless. It's about channeling your energy into being objective and taking calculated action. That's why great traders use mechanical systems with the rules already built in. It helps to fast track the whole process so they can focus on mastering their trading psychology. Pillar number 4, testing and refining, the path to mastery. At times, even with the right trading psychology mastered, your system might fall out of your acceptable boundaries of performance versus drawdown. Of course, no system is perfect, and you may just need to adjust or update some of your rules from time to time. But here's a tip. You'll never get back within your acceptable boundaries if you haphazardly change your rules on the fly or go back to gut instinct. You must do it methodically and deliberately, making sure you don't destroy the system by changing something that actually ends up making it worse. While it's not something you should be constantly tinkering with, making occasional adjustments, then backtesting on historical data or running paper trade simulations are your tools to getting back in line with your goals. Once your results are back within your acceptable boundaries, stop adjusting and go back to focusing on executing your process flawlessly. And the 5th and last pillar is the profitable and peaceful calm, the ultimate reward. Now picture this, you watch the market gyrate, but your heart remains steady. You see others panic, but you execute your plan with unwavering confidence. This, my friends, is peace of mind, the reduced stress and the consistent results that await you on a path to rules-based trading. It's not a sprint to riches, but a sustainable journey towards financial peace of mind. You become the master of your emotions, a disciplined trader, and ultimately a profitable and peaceful force within the market. So if you're ready to ditch the trading yo-yo and embrace the calm control of rules-based trading, join us as we delve deeper into this transformative approach, explore specific strategies, and equip you with the tools to become a trader of logic, not of impulse. To do that, I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and if you're at the stage of getting into a hands-on demo of our systems, you can register for our absolutely free trial, no credit card needed, 7-day systemized investing challenge to check it all out for yourself. You can see it in the comments below or go to our website, sharewealthsystems.com. Thanks for watching, and as always, I wish you consistent, objective, and peaceful investing. Bye for now.